Good evening, my friends. It's me, Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I am going to make a shorter video than the one that I just previously made. That was 18 minutes long. This is my little fountain, and the reason my previous video was 18 minutes long is because I covered the duck house and all that, but I'm sticking with this. And I'm already strayed. This is a cool little thing I built, and I've been meaning to build this before Saturday. Tomorrow's going to be Saturday. It's a little decorative fountain, and if I shut up, you'll hear what the whole purpose of it is. You noticed that there wasn't a police siren in the background, an airplane flying overhead, a helicopter, somebody yelling, automobile sounds, horns, nothing like that, because I don't live anywhere near any of that stuff. It's 2 in the morning out here, and I was in my workshop, and I finished this thing finally. I finished it a lot earlier, but I came out and I put these little stones around the end because these stones are really, really nice. And you wouldn't even know it. They just look like regular stones, but some of the ones I found are really pretty. This little fountain, it cost you roughly about anywhere from $80 to $100, depending on what kind of pump you find. I happened to find a pump in the garage, so I didn't spend anything on it. 135 to 150 gallon per hour pump with 4-foot head height, which means that doesn't even apply, so you don't even have to worry about that. It'll pump up to 4 feet high. This little guy cost me about I think it was $50 or $55 for the pot, and it was on sale at the local big box store, and my wife, I got that one for my wife. I actually like that one too. I was going to fill it with succulents, but she got a mint plant, and I guess that's where we're going with. So I got this thing on sale. It was normally $73, and it was on sale for $50. I bought the tray, which used to be for my little duck swimming area, but they've upgraded to something bigger. And I'm straying from what I'm talking about again, but that tray is a concrete mixing tray that you can find again in the hardware store or your big box store if you go to the cement department. Pump will set you back anywhere from $40 to $60. You want something that's going to probably give you about 135 gallons per hour to 150 gallons per hour. You can get something a lot beefier and dial it back because some of them have a ball valve on it that you can kill, and that way it'll slow it down basically. It won't be giving out all the... But this actually worked out perfectly, and I'm happy with it. So you want to make sure that bowl is level, or else the water will not spit out in all directions like you're seeing it happen right here. See how all the stones are wet? And that, see how the water trickles and runs off of every side? And that's what your goal is. You can fill it with whatever decorative stuff you guys want. Your water level is determined based on what's in that tray, and you can kind of see where the water level is. It'll have to be replenished when you in a couple of days. It'll evaporate 3 or 4 days. You'll notice it'll need to be topped off, and then when you turn this thing off, it might overflow because you got a lot more water in this than you do in the tray. So make sure it's somewhere where it can overflow. In this case, it's a flower bed, and I don't give a damn. So when it comes time to starting this up again, you will plug it in. First put water in the tray till it fills, plug it in, and then fill your main bowl until it overflows. And then that way it'll catch up with itself, and it'll keep going. Any questions or comments, leave them below, guys. And this is something that I've been meaning to do for the longest time, and I really, really love the sound of this. Like, it's so tranquil. The water is dirty because I just washed all the rocks, but after 2 or 3 cycles, or you can even just drain it out and add fresh water to it, clean water to it. And the softer you add the water, the cleaner it's going to remain. So next time I add the water, I'm just going to add it to the bowl, and it'll come out a lot cleaner. Anyways, yeah, any questions or comments, guys, leave them below. And I've always wanted to do something with this little corner over here, and that's what it's going to be. I did all of the, I put all my annuals in. I dug all this out because it was level with the curb over here, and I didn't like that. So dug it out, put my annuals in. That one had been there. That one and that one had been there for a while. So I added that one, and that one's going in the ground as well. So, yep. It's going to look pretty, look nice. And then I really like that plant. That one I wanted to put by the door, but every time the door opens, somebody's going to pluck it or do something or other. And that's my little monkeys. So I'm going to do something else with that guy. I don't know what. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'll plant it there. We'll see. I'll maybe just put a little border around that one and leave that as a potted area and fill that area with soil and just fill all the rest of it with gravel. Ooh, that might be nice. I'm thinking of that. That might be nice. All right. Any questions or comments, guys, leave them below. And thank you for watching. Talk to you. There goes my flags whooping around again. Anyways, questions or comments, leave them below, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you want to make something like this, leave me a comment, and I'll tell you exactly where to find and what to find. And I might even go to the extent of telling you online what you need to find and blah 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 blah. So, talk to you guys later. Bye.